Hi, my name is Cristian y les voy a hablar sobre mi best summer vacation. Last summer I had my short vacation. I stayed at home because I didn't have enough money. I didn't travel anywhere and less sat and worked. I spent most of my time watching TV and used my phone. My worst vacation was last year too. I went to a small tour, but the weather was rain every day. I didn't do a swim and did play a sport. I felt disappointed. I railed water to my vacation, but I come. This summer is going to be very different. We are going to travel to Cancun, Mexico in January. We were very excited because it's this dream destination. We are live on January 10th and we are coming back on January 17th. We are either planning every two trip. We are going to start home because we want to have every day of vacation. We want to have a relaxed hour. We are going to travel. My plan because is fast and Mari computer. The travel Bibus is also the best way to attract skips. Cancun is more beautiful than the place where I went last year. It has amazing beach and clean blue water. The weather there is sunny and the views are incredible. We are going to start in a hotel near the bridge. It's one of the best hotels in the city. The hotel has in its swimming pool and beautiful restaurant. We are going to swim, play beach, wallet that many picture, read bites, and eat delicious Mexican food. We are also going to watch the sooner everything. We are also going to visit museums and go shopping because we want to buy every for our families. We want to learn more about Mexico culture too. I am going to take the sheet, short, sunglasses, somewhere a cap and sooner because we want to go very hot. I am small going to take my backpack and my phone. I am going to take comfortable closet swim, short sunglasses and my camera because I love times photos. I am going to take a hat and water bottle. That this vacation is going to be much better than my last vacation because I am going to with the best friends. I think we are going to hunt very much tower. I think this is going to the most exciting vacation of our life. It is going to full of fun and other experience. At the end of the vacation, we are going to feel happy, relaxed, and full of great memories. We are going to take my photos to remember this amazing trip. I am sure we are going to honor back that you were because this vacation is going to be afterward. It will be the best summer vacation we once ever had. Thank you, guys, list of me for presentation. Goodbye, everybody.